Hello children, good evening. Class 7 again I am back with a new video of this chapter 5 children. I am just continuing with that because I have just arranged for my globe and all, so better to show it to you how the latitudes has been depends on the sun rays and sun rays, how it controls to the these latitudes, the temperature and all. For that better purposes I just wanted to show you my globe. Okay children, so let everybody will see over here. I will read out, then I will tell you this to you. Suppose this is the sun. Suppose this is object will be the sun. I think you can able to see children. Here will be the equator will be. Equator we know that sun is giving directly sun rays. Directly sun rays has been getting by the equator. So that sun rays has to be today I am going to explain this, the factors affecting of temperature. First point will be the latitude. The sun rays strikes the surface of the earth in the different angles. Like here, suppose the equator, sun will be here. Equator is just it is getting the directly sun rays, okay, but here the polar regions will be, I think you can able to see children, here the polar region will be, if sun rays are coming to the polar region, it will make a very big angle, so they will get very less sun rays, down part also, up part also, okay, but equatorial portions they are getting directly sun rays. So definitely for these cases the temperature varies children, okay. How it has been varies that I will tell you in the how it has been varies that I will tell you. The sun rays strike to the surface of the earth at the different angles from the equator to the poles. Equator will be 0 degree, poles will be 90 degree children. While the equatorial region gets vertical rays of the sun, I have already told here the sun will be like this, so directly they are getting the heat. Last year you have learned the latitudes affected the temperature of a place. Same amount of sunlight is focused. Acha, here in the latitudes, in the directly, those who are getting the directly latitudes, the sun rays, that places will be more heated up than the polar regions. That is why in the polar regions there will be very much cold. Okay, as comparison to the equator and tropics. Okay. Acha. Second will be altitude children. I have already explained in the previous chapter, then also I am just taking a recapitulation of it. Right, altitude means altitude is the way wherever altitudes are that whenever we will go up from the ocean level, sea level to the mountain ranges, that cases what is happening, whenever we will go up, that place also, whenever we will go up according to 1 kilometer, 6.5 degree temperature has been decreased. This is called lapse rate or normal lapse rate children. You have already learned in the previous chapter. So this is happening, this funda is happening, and that is according to that, if in the sea level the temperature will be different than the mountain hills, okay. Third will be reason I will explain, that is of distance from the sea. Here two types of winds you can able to see children. There are, one will be land breeze, another will be sea breeze, okay. Acha, now I will better explain that in the Puri in Orissa is also Baharampur also located just beside the sea. Here what is happening, the climate I have told, it's not very cold, not very hot. So what is happening better than that, the climate of these two particular, the climate of that, in the daytime you can able to see from the ocean side very nice cold breeze are coming, because land is heated up more in the daytime as comparison to water. So that's why during the daytime the air, just those who are surrounded in the land, that is getting up. That's why you can see the picture, and from the ocean side to fill up that place cold wind are coming. It is called sea breeze, okay. And in the night times just opposite thing has happened. What is happening? As comparison to land and water, land is releasing the heat very fast than the water, okay. So what is happening in the night time, ocean is comparatively hot than the land, okay. So from the land side, ocean, just surrounding part of the air of the ocean will be get heated up and they will go up, and for fill up the places of the wind, the wind is going from land side to sea side. This is called the land breeze, which will be maximum in the morning 5 o'clock, right children. So here you can able to find it out. I have already been explained distance from the sea, how it is controlling the atmosphere, right. For that reason Chennai, which is one of the coast located, which is one of the coast for example experiences almost the same temperature throughout the year. Places in the interior far. Acha, another thing I will tell you that Delhi is totally located in the Keonjhar also I will give you the example, or more interior if you go Jharkhand side, that side also no oceans are there, no effect will be there. So that is why extreme type of climate we can able to see. It means that no effect of that ocean is there. So that is why definitely distance from the sea also depends, it controls the weather of a particular place, especially the temperature. Now, next point, number 4 point, I will just explain, that is the prevailing winds. Prevailing winds are planetary winds that are caused. Planetary winds means some of the winds of our Earth's surface, my children, they are blowing all over the year in a particular direction. They are called prevailing winds or planetary winds. Okay. Some cases it is giving impact locally, like trade winds. Some cases some cold winds are blowing locally and which is just decreasing the temperature of a particular place. Okay. Prevailing winds blow from the hot region. Prevailing winds generally what is flowing? It is flowing from hot region to cold region and cold region to hot region. Like equator, if it is we will take the maximum heat region will be there. So from equator to polar region it will go, and from polar region to equatorial region it will come. Okay, so